Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Face ID for Cash App. The reason you'd want to learn this is that setting up Face ID adds an extra layer of security to your Cash App account. It's a fast and convenient way to unlock the app and make transactions with just a glance, keeping your account safe and saving you time. This video is especially useful for anyone who uses Cash App frequently and wants to make their experience faster and more secure by using Face ID. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way until the end to learn how to set up Face ID for your Cash App account. First things first is you're not going to want to open the Cash App app yet. You're going to want to navigate to your settings. Once you're in your settings, you can try and find the Cash App app, but what I like to do is just search. So I'm going to search up Cash App. It's going to pop up as an application. Now, whenever this loads, you'll see things like camera. What you want to focus on is Face ID. You want to make sure that Face ID is enabled in your Cash App settings. This will allow Cash App to, access your camera and make sure it's able to use, your Face ID. The next thing you're going to want to do is navigate to your Cash App app on your phone, click on your Cash App, and you'll be greeted with either the home screen or the screen that I'm on right now. But what you're going to want to focus on is this top right corner. This will bring up all of your settings. You're going to want to scroll down under personal, under linked banks to security and privacy. Click on security and privacy and you'll see right at the top, security log. Now, this will require Face ID or your cash pin to move money or unlock the app after 5 minutes of inactivity. So you can choose this for money coming in or moving the money and to unlock the app. So say I wanted to do it to unlock the app. I will click unlock the app and it'll tell me to insert my PIN, which I'll do now off camera. So once you insert your PIN, you will see that unlock the app. And so whenever I go to unlock the app, it will ask for my Face ID, which whenever it scans my face, will then open up Cash App just like it would normally. And with that, that's really all there is to it for enabling your Face ID for your Cash App account. But with that being said, here's some tips to consider while we wrap up this video. Tip number 1 is to make sure that your device supports Face ID, iPhone 10 or later, and that it's enabled in your device settings. The second tip is for security. Ensure that Face ID is only enabled on trusted devices to prevent unauthorized access. The third tip is if Face ID isn't working, check to ensure your face is fully registered or try re-enabling it in your device settings. The fourth and final tip is you can still use a PIN if Face ID isn't available or it just isn't your preferred security method. So with those tips, that really wraps up this video. I hope this tutorial helped you set up your Face ID for your Cash App account. If it did, please be sure to like the video, share it with a friend, and most importantly of all, subscribe for more future tutorials.